A zygote or fertilized egg is definitely a single cell that is formed by egg and sperm. Very clearly you can understand by the diagram given here. So after fertilization, the zygote gives rise to rapid mitotic cycle. That's the cells of zygote rapidly divide by mitosis. Question: why? Mitosis is also known as equational division. So by this process, when any parent cell is dividing to form two daughter cells, the number of chromosomes in the daughter cells is equal to that of the parent cell. So this is known as equational division. The characteristics of the daughter cells are also exactly same as that of the parent cell. Thus, the mitotic division is very important and significant in order to develop a multicellular, well-developed body from a single-celled zygote. The first embryonic cells generated are totipotent. So what do we understand by totipotent? Please understand, potency, that is nothing but an ability of the cells to divide and differentiate into many other forms. Totipotency basically indicate the ability of the embryonic cells to differentiate into various forms. That is, the embryonic cells are not very specialized. They are moreover general in structure and function. When they differentiate, they can form many other types of cells, thereby having individual functions, dedicated functions. So totipotent means each cell has the capacity to divide, differentiate, and definitely develop into a new organism. So these cells are very specialized, very well developed cells. As cell proliferation progresses, three major cell lineages are established within the embryo. You can clearly understand by the diagram here. So a totipotent embryonic stem cell, why is it special? Because this is a cell that has an ability of forming many other cell types. Because from a single cell, zygote cell, an adult body will have over 200 types of cells. So definitely cell differentiation is a very significant event for embryogenesis. So these cells are basically forming pluripotent embryonic stem cells. Pluri means many. Definitely the pluripotent embryonic stem cells are differentiated into the endoderm line, that is the cells which are present deep in the body cavity, forming the inner organs. Then we have the ectoderm line, which are the outer parts of the body, and finally the mesoderm line, which are the middle part of the body. Each of these lineages of embryonic cells forms the distinct germ layers, as we talked about sometimes earlier. Ectoderm, endoderm, and in between mesoderm, these are three germ layers, for presence of which we are said to be triploblastic organisms, unlike the diploblastic ones like the sponges, in which we find only the ectoderm and endoderm, and there is no mesoderm layer. So these germ layers are being formed, from which all the tissue and organs of the human body eventually form.